to shine, baby. Turn it up, turn it way up. Come on, get ready. Get ready. For Kaliilo Live, your precious metal station. Stack silver, stack gold. Yeah. We talking that real weight, that drip you can hold. Not just numbers on a screen. I'm talking shine in your hand, people. Come on. Certified heat, certified hustle. They call me your award-winning DJ. Kaliilo Live, we're fine, we're stacking, we're shining. Don't touch that dial. Tell your mama, tell your crew, tell your neighbors too. Kaliilo Live, stack it up, come on. Kaliilo Live, stack it up, yeah. Silver in the left hand, gold in the right. Kaliilo Live, stack it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And now, it's time!
¿Enteraste? Mía se mudó a una nueva frecuencia, 94.3 FM, una señal más grande para escuchar tus hits de hoy. Sin
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing? The chat is already getting crazy and blowing up. I've only had one sip of coffee, so bear with me. Well, good morning. Happy Friday. The time is now 6:02 a.m. on Friday, May 8th. Really excited to have the crew with me today. We got 7 people watching. Let's see. Wow, I'm gonna go through the shout outs here just a quick second. Oh, goodness gracious. It is early for me. How's everybody feeling? Hope everybody is having a really good Friday. All right, we got Amina, Catcom, Rizzo, Investable Collectibles, Mustard and Baskets, Silver Serpents, My Ride or Die, Comcat, my favorite. Who else we got up in Chill? And then earlier I saw Investable Collectibles. I know I saw Dragoon. Dragoon was all up in Chill for like 2 seconds. He said 60, 70 degrees, sunny today, planning on working the whole day outside. All right, brother. Well, you do you, man. Enjoy your best life. It's always a treat to hear from you, man. Earlier we also saw Branded Silver. Yo, let's go at 6:24 p.m. last night. That's what's up. And then the first up was Silver Serpents at 4:20 p.m. last night. Check him out. He was like, let's go, ready to go. All right, y'all. And we also have the Duke of Ajita. Morning. Happy Friday. Good to see you, buddy. Really appreciate you. And Amina says, I've been up for like 4 hours. Ole, Amina. Ole. Out here in these streets. Catcom says, weather report on Telemundo. Para Español. Marque dos. That's awesome. Let's see. What's this say, Catcom? Maybe I should post on yours. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. Well, let's get going because I got some surprises for y'all. I'm excited. I hope y'all are excited because, you know me, I like to put in the work and make time to, keep things entertaining and have a good old time. And so now I got to watch out for crab rates because you never know if they're going to happen. So apparently that's something that I did not quite plan for. So, all right, well, let's get going on the agenda of the day. Let's see. All right, here we go. No technical difficulties thus far. Let's kick it off with the verse of the day. For Friday, May 8th, 2026, I am on verseoftheday.com. Let's see. Make the most of every opportunity let your conversation be always full of grace, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how to answer everyone. Colossians 4:5-6. Thoughts on today's verse. When presented with an opportunity, we choose to do and say kind things because Jesus has called us to do that. He challenged us to be salt that adds savor and preservation to the world's helplessness and decay. He called us to be light that casts out the world's darkness. We are committed to acting in ways that are kind and beneficial to others, especially with our speech. We pray for opportunities to be kind and encouraging because we want what we say to benefit others. This verbal kindness is an indication of the Holy Spirit's presence, as the Spirit conforms us to our Savior's kindness and character. This kind of salty speech, not the profane, crude, and coarse speech often identified as salty talk, is an intentional effort to treat others with gentleness and respect because we want them to know our hope in Jesus. Let's make the most of every opportunity to say good words that bless others and lead them to Jesus. Love that. Wow, that's a really nice one. Yeah, one of my favorite personal philosophies. Y'all know me. I don't like to preach at nobody. It's not what I'm here to do, but I like to start with a little bit of faith. But one of my favorite philosophies is to speak life to people as much as possible, because you never know. That might be the last time you get to talk to them. So hopefully you get to leave them with something positive, maybe something educational. So all right. Well, I didn't check on the sound, but I had my phone, so it appears the sound is good. Otherwise, I'm sure y'all would have been like throwing twos in the chat. Let's see. All right, so let's move on over to the precious metals price checks, because there's been some price action. Yeah, there's been some price action. There's been some great movement, in my opinion. If you're an investor, if you're a holder of precious metals, it feels good to see your investments go up. And then, not so much if you're looking to buy. But if you are looking to buy when the price goes down, that also is an opportunity. So it's like you win no matter what. All right. Well, gold is sitting at 47.2350. Let me give it a quick refresh. Yep, 47.2080. And silver is the bid price of silver is 80.75. Let me take another sip of my coffee. I feel like I'm still half asleep, y'all. Catcom says, "Can't hear you, serpent." Catcom always coming with the jokes. Love it. Investable Collectible says the ferrets are going wild right now. What in the world? Moonshots, what do we got? Check that out. Roadkill, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. Amina says, I woke up early for some moonshots. All right, well, I'd love to hear more about that. Oh, there we go. That did it. That woke me up. All right, my freshly brewed coffee. Freshly ground. I had the Verdana coffee beans this morning, so it's nice and strong, robust. All right, I'm awake. Gold, 47.20. Silver, 80.75. Platinum, for you platinum lovers, 2028. And if any of you happen to be into palladium, 1,464. And those very few of you that are into the rhodium, 9,500 bid. Let's take a look at the GSR. Yeah, GSR 58.52. Well, look at that. Anybody looking to trade the GSR or make some swaps into gold? Sounds like a good time to me to do a little bit of DCAing into gold. All right, well, let's see what we're at on top assets by market cap. Gold sitting in the number one spot at 32 trillion. Nvidia second by 5 trillion. That's a huge gap. Alphabet still in third place at 4.7, and silver is a runner-up at 4.5. But nonetheless, silver and gold are still dominating the top 5. So how you like them apples? Pretty sweet to me. Let's see where else we at. Let's move on over to the S&P. So let's see. Mm, 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 mm. All right, let's take a look at the markets. S&P 500, whoa, in the red. Isn't that interesting? When precious metals are up, the other markets tend to be down. Really interesting to see what the next few pieces look like. So S&P 500 index, for anybody listening, driving, listening to the replay later, 7,337. So it's on sale, folks. It's on sale. If you're doing your DCAing into the S&P 500 or into the market, nice little sale going on. One of my favorites, BTSAX. Oh, BTSAX is up 175.3. All right. Well, I always love to see my BTSAX doing well because one of my favorites to DCA into. Next up is the Nasdaq. Nasdaq appears to be down at 25,800 on the day, but zooming out, I mean, we're still in the green. See, there you go. Zoom out 6 months. Anybody watching? It's still looking pretty good. I mean, April, it was at 20,007, and today it's at 25,008. So still winning. Just playing the long game. What about the Dow? Let's see. Dow Jones 49,601, also down on the day. So some of the stocks are down. Precious metals are up. Let's look at the volatility index. Volatility index is also down at 20.03 points. Interesting. Very, very interesting. What about the Dixie? How's the dollar looking? Surprise, surprise. US dollar index sitting at 97.97. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Anybody have any thoughts on that? Always curious to hear people's thoughts. Catcom over here in the corner popped up and said, job report good, LOL, I don't care. I always love your ad-libs, Catcom. I can hear your voice, man. Good old times. Oil, US crude is at $95. All right, so US oil is also down. Interesting. Isn't that interesting? Let's zoom out 5 days. Yeah, it's been going down this week, or at least the last 5 days, but for the last 6 months it is up. So if we look back to March, crude was sitting at $65 and we're at $95. So very, very interesting stuff. All right, well, what do we got next? Let's look at the fear and greed index. According to this, it is favoring the stock market still. Well, I'm still a stacker, so I could care less what this says. I'm still getting me silver and gold. That's just what we do. Shoot. But this is just also interesting to see, to just get a varying perspective. All right. Well, let's look at the U.S. Treasuries. So 10-year is sitting at 4.36. I mean, pretty consistent. Nothing, earth-shattering. Nothing new. So, I mean, it is what it is. For those people looking for some stability, here you go. U.S. Treasuries 4.36. Live your best life. Do you, boo-boo. Moving on over to the Fed Watch tool. Nothing changing there. Just happened. Still keeping current target rate 3.5, 3.75. So, again, also nothing there. What is that? The June 20th, what is this, for the 17th of June 2026 Fed meeting? So nothing there yet. Nothing interesting there yet. But we would like to look at it just to see. You never know. All right, well, let's get on into the headlines on what is impacting precious metals. So, all right, well, let's see. First up, right at the top there, as of 35 minutes ago, gold prices catch a solid bid after U.S. economy created 150K jobs in April. This is all you, Catcom, right here. Where's that funny chat? Man, y'all are just moving quick. It already got buried. I can't find it. Where's that funny one? Oh, there we go. There you are, Catcom. All right, let's take a look. Let's see what this bad boy says. Let's give him a little bit of, give this a read ski. But first, more coffee. All right. What y'all drinking out there? I heard I saw Serpents earlier was gonna make some coffee. And then I think was it Catcom? Somebody said that they were having old coffee. All right, now if you're one of those brown water tea drinkers, I don't want to hear it. No offense, but I don't want to hear it. I love my coffee. All right, gold prices catch a solid bid after U.S. economy created 150K jobs in April. Kiko news: the gold market is attracting new bullish momentum as prices hold support near 4,700 an ounce. But analysts warn that the precious metals could see renewed selling pressure as the U.S. labor market remains relatively healthy, with the economy creating more jobs than expected in April. All right. Well, U.S. non-farm payroll rose by 115,000 last month, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This figure significantly beats consensus forecasts, as economists had experienced job gains of around 65,000. Interesting. Well, let's see here. Gold prices managed to push higher in their initial reaction to the strong employment data. Spot gold was last trading at $47.2240 an ounce, up 0.72% on the day. All right. Well, analysts warn traders that strong employment data would be negative for gold because it gives the Federal Reserve room to focus on the inflation side of its dual mandate. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. All right. Well, let's get back over here. Let me give it another refresh, see if there's anything interesting. Oh, all right. This one is referencing routers. Okay. Well, routers is over here on Kiko. Let's click that one. Gold heads for a weekly gain as hopes for U.S.-Iran deal ease inflation fears. All right. Well, May 8th, gold rose on Friday and was on course for a weekly gain as markets priced in optimism over a prospective U.S.-Iran peace agreement, helping temper concerns high inflation will lead to higher for longer interest rates. Considered a safe haven in times of global turmoil as a non-yielding asset, gold can come under pressure from rising interest rates. So, hopes that the price shock caused by the war could be temporary we're supporting it. All right, spot gold up 0.8%, 47.20 per ounce. Bullion has gained 2.3% so far this week, the most since March 30th. U.S. gold futures for June delivery rose 0.4% to 47.30. The U.S. and Iran exchanged fire on Thursday in the most serious test yet of their month-long ceasefire, but Iran said the situation returned to normal, while the U.S. said it did not want to escalate. Oil prices were on course to fall about 6% this week as markets assessed chances for a potential peace deal between the U.S. and Iran. Gold has fallen more than 10% since the war began in late February, pressured by higher oil prices that have stoked inflation concerns and muddied the interest rate outlook. Markets now wait for the monthly U.S. employment report due later in the day to assess the Federal Reserve monetary stance. So, interesting. All right. Well, good stuff. Good stuff. Let's see if there's any other interesting things here. I saw something about silver. Where'd that go? Ooh, I like that. I saw something about silver beating something, and I love to see that when they're talking about silver, because silver don't get a lot of love sometimes, you know. Where'd that go? Like just disappeared. It's like they knew I was here reporting the news. Let's see. That was 14 minutes ago. I could have swore I saw something about silver, like disappeared. Meh, whatever. Silver. All right, well, whatever. Silver extends gain. Gold silver extends gain. So let me click that one just in case. I think it's the one I just read, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. Well, all right. All right. Well, we can move on over unless there's anything else that's interesting here. I just like to read the headlines. I don't like reading them all word per word, but once in a while you get to see things that are impacting, and it's just nice to be aware. Not that we have control over any of this stuff, but it's just nice to be aware. All right, let me have a little more coffee, and then we can get on over here to Rotors. All right, let's see what this talk about job growth, right, Catcom? Let's take a look. U.S. job growth in April comes in higher than expected. Investing.com. U.S. job growth was more than expected in April, government data showed on Friday, while the unemployment rate stayed flat. As per the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, April non-farm payrolls edged up 115K compared to a consensus estimate of 62K. Let's see if I can click it. It gives me the paywall. Oh no, cool, disappeared. Awesome. Boom, 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 boom. The April jobs report comes at a time when the market participants and watchers of monetary policy are more focused on inflation due to surging oil prices sparked by the ongoing Middle East conflict. Interesting, very interesting. A good news jobs report, says Justin Walfers, professor of public policy and economics at University of Michigan. All right. Well, inflation concerns outweigh labor market situation. The big Achilles heel. Inflation is wiping out wage gains. Wages are being eaten up by inflation due to the war in Iran. Yes, and this is why we stack, baby. This is why we stack. So you should probably be stacking there, buddy. Or maybe he is. Who knows? I don't know. But this is why we stack. Hedge against inflation. What are the best investment opportunities in 2026? Well, I would probably say gold and silver is right on up there. Not financial advice. But love me my gold and silver. What else we got here? Last one. Trump says ceasefire still holds after fighting between the U.S. and Iran flares. That's a 26 minutes ago. U.S. and Iran forces clashed in the Gulf, and the United Arab Emirates came under renewed attack, but President Donald Trump said a ceasefire was still holding despite the flare-up, which dented hopes for a swift diplomatic resolution to the crisis. Interesting. Well, let's see if we can click in this story. See a little bit more. Sweet. Nope. Not that. I knew it. It gave me a paywall. Whatever. All right. Well, I was going to read it, but y'all don't want me to read it. That's fine. Find my own news somewhere else. All right, y'all. Well, those are the headlines of the day. I am going to go ahead and let me close that. Actually, you know what? We'll get into that in just one moment. Let's see. Let's do this, because what I want to do is I want to take some time to acknowledge the chat before we get crab rated again, because I have a feeling it's coming. I have a feeling it's coming.
Stop the cap.
No, for real. I think it's coming. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transition us over to something special, something I've been working on. So please,
if you would, please hit that like button and help expand this wealthy community of ours. When you hit that like, you're saying you want more content like this.
And also
more of this content, subscribe for more, and you will get more. It's as simple as that. Don't leave it up. Want more of this content?
Don't leave it up to chance. Let's go. Shout out to Thousandaire wherever you are, brother. Appreciate you. All right, y'all. Well, the time has come. I want to share something special, and I hope y'all enjoy it. This is a Kaliilo Live exclusive music drop, and we actually have two. You all get the first one right now, and I'll wrap up with the last one. So, anywho, enough talking. Let's get to it. Hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna go through the chats whilst y'all listen. Please enjoy.
Times you want it,
Kaliilo on the line.
Precious metals, baby.
Sun up, come out, I'm checking that shine. Silver in the tray, gold on my mind. Coffee on one head, big plans in the other. Boss move season, we don't wait, we recover.
Fresh off the ground with a calm like steel. You can hear the pace when the room gets real.
Stack a little today, stack again tomorrow. Turn it small when loud, that's how you bow.
Top shelf, top shelf.
Keep it up, keep it right.
Cold.
Cold to the touch, but it wants the whole night.
Top shelf, top shelf.
We don't fold, we hold. Feel that value up, let it turn to gold.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf more.
Kaliilo, keep it going. Top shelf morning.
Stack still a stack gold.
Top shelf morning.
Boss moves, let it roll.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning. Got a notebook full of next step moves. No wasted motion, just a clean new groove. Every little house got a bigger story. Quiet little habits turning into glory.
If the day comes hard, we still stand tall. Make the tough call and we make one more call. For that value talk in a voice that rings. Build from the ground up, that's a king thing. Top shelf, top shelf.
Keep it up, keep it right.
Cold.
Cold to the touch, but it wants the whole night.
Top shelf, top shelf.
We don't fold, we hold. Feel that value up, let it turn to gold.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning.
Kaliilo, keep it going. Top shelf morning.
Stack summer, stack gold.
Top shelf morning.
Boss rules, let it roll.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning. When the room gets quiet, hear that truth come through. What you keep, what you build comes back to you. Not just shine, not just style, it's the mind, it's the blend. Put your hand on your future, say I know I can.
Top shelf morning. Top shelf morning. Woo. Top shelf morning.
Kaliilo.
Top shelf morning. Top shelf morning. Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning.
Dom DeMarco.
And that's the bottom line because Stone Cold said so.
All right, y'all. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Top shelf music on Kaliilo Live, Morning Meadows Radio. That was the new music drop for today. And in fact, where'd it go? Boom shakalaka. All right, here we go. Let me close that out. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. SGT, thanks for stopping by, buddy. Really appreciate you, homie. Let's see where we at. All right, chill. Okay. So if y'all ever want to just go and enjoy this, I created a music list. Move that banner out the way. All right, here we go. Yeah, so I created a music list, and this is where I'm going to put all the Kaliilo Live original music. And so, actually, you know what? Let me get y'all the link right quick. If you all ever listen to YouTube Music, here you go. There's the link right there. And it is public, so feel free to enjoy the music, some of the things that I come up with and my creative mind decides to spit out. And so there's one song on there, so if you want to listen to it, I'm going to play that right at the end when we wrap up. In the event of a crab raid, I'm just going to click that and just go through the chats. But thanks, y'all. I really appreciate you all being here with me. The time is now 6:29 a.m. Friday, May 8th, 2026. And we are here live with Kaliilo Morning Meadows Radio. I appreciate you all being here with me. Rural, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. SGT, throwing some love. Catcom Amina is always having a good old time in the chat, showing some love. Shiny Stacker, Shanty Stacker, my man. Good to see you, buddy. Appreciate you. What Space Miner said, this song is all you, Kaliilo. That's what's up. Appreciate you, buddy. Where were we? Let's see. Let's move on back to the deals of the day. Let's see. Why is it so quiet? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get on over to the deals of the day. Let's see what's out here, because there's been some interesting price action. So let's see what's going on. See if we can get some good deals. Let's see. All right. Well, starting off on findbullionprices.com. Let me give it a quick refresh ski here. Let's see. Mint Builder at the top, $84 for a random American Silver Eagle. Interesting. Whoa. That happened quick. That price movement happened quick. Monument Metals coming in second for 2026 American Silver Eagle, $85.28. Let's see. If you want a tube, apparently on eBay you can get it for $16.79. Monument Metals is offering a 2026 tube for $17.05. Or on Bullion exchanges, get yourself a 500 coin, a monster box of 2026 American Silver Eagles for $42,350. Or eBay for $43,000. Interesting. Wow. Yeah, those don't sound very good to me. We'll get into some good ones here in a minute, y'all. But look at the gold. The gold doesn't seem too shabby. On Bullion exchanges, it gets you a 1/10 American Gold Eagle for $516. That's pretty good. If I was in the market, I wouldn't mind taking that action. Shoot. Bullion exchanges for 2026 1/10 American Gold Eagle, $529. Also Beyond exchanges for a quarter ounce random year American Gold Eagle, $12.56. That's actually pretty good as well. Bullion exchanges then also 2026 quarter ounce American Gold Eagle for $12.81. Dang, Bullion exchanges is dominating today. Look at that. Bullion exchanges all the way down. All right, well, no need to continue to say their name. Let's see, you can get a half ounce for $24.18, 2026 half ounce for $25.10. A random 1 ounce for $47.69, or get you a buffalo added to the herd for $48.39. And 2026 American Gold Eagle 1 ounce for $48.96, or a 2026 buffalo for $4,900. Ouch. Yeah, that doesn't sound good to me at all. Let's see. Summit Metals is offering a 2026 1/10 ounce gold Brit for $522. Sheesh. All right, well, let's get on over to where I think the deals are the best. This is my opinion, not financial advice. But yeah, Catcom, what's that? Catcom shipping 3,000 on a monster box. Oh snap! Oh, is that what you want to do, Panger? Is that what we're doing? Where are we at here?
Libertad! Sí, sí, sí! Ta, ta, ta! Libertad!
Libertad, that's right. So as y'all can see on my display here for this morning is my Kilo. That is my favorite coin. It's a Kilo Libertad reverse proof. I have a reverse proof 5 ouncer and a proof 5 ounce and a bunch of 50 pesos gold centenarios, and then a proof 1 ouncer and then a reverse proof half ounce. This is my Libertad Friday tribute. I didn't actually get to mention it, but Silver Serpents, if you're listening or if you're driving or if you listen to this later on the replay, that reverse proof Kilo Libertad you had mentioned on the live that you did with Craven, that you wanted one of those. And yeah, man, I was like, shoot, it's one of my favorites. In fact, it's the only Kilo I have left. As you know, I moved all my surface stack, mid-stack silver into gold, and that is the last one that will stay there basically for pretty much forever. I wanted that since I started stacking. When I first saw it, I'm like, I don't think I'll ever own one, and then I got one. I managed to do a really, really good trade on Pmsforsale. So all right, well, I got distracted with the whole Libertad stuff. Well, thanks, Pang. CCC, wake me up. Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, back to the deals. Where were we? back to the deals. Let's see. I want to find me some good prices. Shoot. All right, so Pmsforsale, one of my favorite places to buy, sell, trade, peer-to-peer on Reddit. If you haven't used it, I would highly encourage you, not financial advice, highly encourage you to take the time to learn and figure out how to use it. Coming from somebody who didn't have any use of social media. Before I started making content, I had nothing, absolutely nothing on my phone. I didn't do anything. And then when I came across this on my journey, it took me a little bit to figure it out. I didn't even want to download the app, but I figured it out, and I have not gone back since. I have made so much money in terms of my DCAing into precious metals. Again, not financial advice. All right, let's move on. What do we got here? He says cheap silver. What does cheap silver mean to him? Let's see. You know what? Zoom in a smidge more. There we go. All right. Cheap silver below spot. Okay. All right. Coming with it 120. Let's see. Rosie's Mercs 329 for $7 face value. Got some rolls of quarters. All right. Fractional platinum got eaten up pretty quick. Okay, that's the first time I see platinum going fast. Y'all know me, I'm not into the platinum. I'm a platypus, so y'all know that typically I don't see this, so it's happening right now. It looks like people are going into the platinum right now. Premium silver. Okay. Reverse panda, very nice. All right, cool. All right, well, let's move on over. Let's see if there's anything else, anything specific here. 2020 Perth Mints. Looks like he already did a sale an hour ago. I got some ASCs. Let's see what the ASCs are going for right now, because the ones that I saw on the Bullion prices I didn't like. So over here he has some mixed dates X4 ASCs for 84 each. How much were they over here? Let's see. 84. I guess that's about the same price. Typically on Pmsforsale, usually we can do a little bit better, especially with shipping, do a little negotiation action, so, and he has over 50 total transactions. So, that's probably somebody that would be worth, making a deal with. What else we got? A full tube of Morgan silver dollars. Wow. Look at that. I'd like you some Morgans. Spot is 60 a coin if splitting, or $11.50 shipped for the full lot. Well, check that out. I would imagine a full tube is 20. Let's see if we can look at this picture. Coindex. I like Coindex versus Imgur when we're doing the images on Pmsforsale. Okay. Well, not the best, but there's a few potential nice pieces in here. A few 1800s or pre-1900 ones. That one doesn't make me happy. So if I'm looking at this and I'm, negotiating, I'm really in the market for something like this, a lot like this, I would definitely negotiate that. Now, if these were all better condition, I think that price is pretty good. But anywho, that's just me. That's how I roll. Let's see. What else? Anything else? Oh, that's my boy, Rachel. That's my boy. If he's listening, Zen Pathfinder, here you go, buddy. Check him out with 1,233 sales. Sheesh. More gold and silver. Boom, boom, boom. All right. He's got some lunars. Ooh, Lunars Dragon Series for $650. Okay. PCGS. All right. Graded. Quarter ounces. All right. Cool. Tiger for $13.88. If y'all see anything that I'm going through and you want me to click on it and look at pictures or spend a little more time, just throw it in the chat and I'll do my best to see and respond. Arabian Horse 5-gram gold 958. Pamp, very cool. I love that. Coca-Cola bar Pamp 2.5 gram for $500. Shoot, yeah, if I was in the market, that's a really, really good deal. Perth Lunar Horse 540 2014. 2026 Perth 120th for $289 in capsule. Let's see, Lunar Dragon 315 each. Very cool. It's got some really, really good deals. Platinum and palladium. Look at that. More platinum getting bought up, y'all. This is very interesting. I don't see this very often. Let's see. 1 gram loose platinum for $80. Okay. Got some palladium. Sheesh, all kinds of stuff. I like it. On sale, 1/4 ounce fractional. 15x at $25.50 each. Well, check that out. If y'all are into your fractional, there you go. You definitely can trust this guy. If you have any problems, see me in the chat, because that's my homie. I got you. He'll make sure that you get your stuff. Very, very, very cool. Dental silver. Well, there you go. Shoot, if you want some cheap silver to melt or something, banger, if you're listening. Oh, look at that. And he really has some really good deals on vintage silver, so he's definitely likes to rock the vintage silver stuff. Price check 6:40 a.m. Friday, May 8th, 2026. Let's see. Very cool. Premium silver, Perth wedge-tailed eagle, 1 ounce, 111. Very nice. He's got a nice little spread. 1987 ASC full tube. 1987. All right, there we go. Tuvalu Dragons, ASCs in capsule, $84. Let me see. America the Beautiful. Nice. Vermont in original mint packaging, $4.50. Let's look at that guy right there. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's nice. Shoot. I like that. All right. Well, anything else worth looking at? All right. Well, we spent a lot of time on this one, but I really like the seller. Great deals. I've worked with him quite a bit. Somebody is selling. What is this? What's going on? What?
Libertà! Sì, sì, sì! Ta, ta, ta! Libertà!
All right. Well, we saw some Mexican gold and silver libertades. You heard the sound. Wow. What's he got here? What has he got? Chia. Some 1/20th gold. All right. Cool. There we go. All right. 110. Eesh. That's a little pricey, but I guess, they're graded. So I get that. Let's see. 91 1 ounce silver proof for $3.50. 1991. Let's look at that one, because that's worth looking at. Ooh, that is pretty. Whew. Yeah, he was right. 1991 proof for $3.50. That's actually pretty decent. That's about what I got mine for. Let's see if I can get it really fast and be smooth about it. So I got mine right here. If y'all can see that in the corner, here's my proof. That's about what I paid, and mine's an 87. And the 90s proofs are pretty, pretty rare. Very, very nice. I like this. So yeah, that's a good deal. Now, if I was in the market for another proof, I would definitely snag that. All right, y'all. Well, those are the deals of the day. I think I'm going to wrap up the deals because I saw something about a potential crab raid. I will leave this up for the time being before we. Oh, there it is. There it is. I knew it. I knowed it. All right. Well, I think I'm going to just leave it there. Let me go ahead and remove this, and let's get that going. Uh-oh. I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming. Crab raid activated. All right, let's move to the music. All right, I appreciate you. Where is he at? Let me click it. There he is. International Stacker, my man. Thanks for stopping by, homie. I really appreciate you. You the man. You are on Kaliilo Live morning. See, it gets me discombobulated. Morning Metals Radio, episode 8. Thank you for stopping by, International Stacker. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you for helping me get to 500. Help me to give away this silver. So thank you, my man. Appreciate you again. All right, here you go, y'all. I hope you enjoy this original drop from Kaliilo Live, exclusive music. Here you go. Enjoy, y'all.
Yeah.
Kaliilo Live.
Top shelf mornings. Rivalry.
Sunrise Sunrise falling on my window. Peace of mind, I finally feel whole. All I build, yeah, it's solid gold. Strong inside, never lose control.
Slow it down, let the pressure fade. Every move, yeah, it's all been made. In the light, I can see the way. We gon' last, we don't ever break. Early rise, mind clear. No fear when the vision this real. Hand steady when I'm holding that weight. That security they never could fake. No rush, I've been moving precise. Every step got a purpose in life. While they gamble, I'm keeping it tight. Real value, that's a different type. Stack it up, let it sit, let it grow. I don't fold, I just stick to the code. Warrior mind, yeah, I carry the load. Silent wins, let the story be told.
Sunlight falling on my window. Peace of mind, I finally feel whole. All I build, yeah, solid gold. Strong inside, never lose control.
Cruise slow, let the city just breathe. No noise, just the power I keep. Every loss turned a lesson for me. Mind saw coming back 10 deep. Mind strong, never break under pressure. Build different, I was made from the ground, now I'm changing the level. Now the view looking clean and it's better. Gold light, hit the dash when I glide. Silver lines in the path that I ride. Not a trend, it's a way I survive. Legacy, what I'm leaving behind.
Ooh, we don't chase, we align. Take our time, we ride.
We gon' last, we don't break.
Let's go. We hit 500. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I feel good.
¿Te enteraste? Mía se mudó a una nueva frecuencia. 94.3 FM. Una señal más grande para escuchar tus...
Let's go.
DJ Kaliilo live. Stack it up. What we do? Stack. Kaliilo live. Stack it up, stack it up. Kaliilo live. Stack it up, stack it up. What we do? Stack, stack, hey, stack. Kaliilo live. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Stack.
Like and subscribe for more update. One morning Metals Radio live with Kaliilo. Your precious metal station.
Stack silver, stack gold, and positive motivation
To start your day.
Let's go, y'all. I appreciate you. Woo. Finally, 500. That feels amazing. Now I can finally give away this silver. International Stacker, I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Really, genuinely appreciate it. You the man, brother. You the man. Out here in these streets, representing and helping everybody out.
How dare you?
Yeah, how dare you help us? Oh man, I really genuinely appreciate you.
And that's the bottom line. Give me a hell yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. And for a thousander who's out there,
If you would, please hit that like button and help expand this wealthy community of ours. When you hit that like, you're saying you want more content like this.
let's go. Good times, good times. Yeah, good times. I love it. All right, well, let's get to it. Let's see. Let's have a good old time. What y'all think about the music? Y'all, Kaliilo Live, Morning Metals Radio, exclusive today. That's just how we do it. Top shelf mornings, baby.
On the dial, coffee in your hand, dues rolling in fast for the working crowd. Still in the first light, plans in your head. You want the real stuff, not the same old sound. Leaning, baby, catch the first day, keep it moving, start the day. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Top shelf mornings, Kaliilo Live. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Fuel for the day, Kaliilo Live. Top shelf, top shelf, top shelf. Fresh takes, straight talk before the world wakes. Quick boost, hard truth. When the hour turns, mind clear, grip strong, hands on the wheel. One more reason to get up again. Leaning, baby, catch the first of day. Keep it moving, start the day right. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. The sky goes pale and the room feels slow. One good signal gets you going. One strong voice, one clean spark. Morning metal in your bones. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Top safe mornings, Kaliilo Live.
Libertà! Sì, sì, sì! Ta ta ta! Libertà!
and bye.
Yeah. Turn it up. This ain't luck. I'm built for this. Yeah. Turn it up. This ain't luck. I'm built for this. 5 a.m. Yeah, I'm back on the grind. No days off, I'm ahead of my time. They want results, but they skip the climb. I paid the price, not a moment is mine. Heavy weight on me, still I rise. Pain in my chest, but it's sharp in my mind. They see the glow, but don't see the fight. I built this life in the dark, no lights. No fear, no breaks, no sea. I got promises, I gotta keep. I'm built for this, I won't quit. Fire in my soul, yeah, I'm all in. Step by step, brick by brick. Watch me rise, I was made for this. Feel the lift, every loss turned into a gift. Fall down, get up real quick. Watch me rise, I was made for this. Late nights, yeah, I stay locked in. For shortcuts, I don't play pretend. Every scar turned into a win. Now the ground running deep within. They doubted me, I used that fuel. Turn that pressure into a tool. Now I'm moving different, breaking rules. I don't follow waves, I make the move. No cap, no lies, just truth. Hard work, turn me bulletproof. I'm built for this, I won't quit. Fire in my soul, yeah, I'm all in. Step by step, brick by brick. Watch me rise, I was made for this. Feel the lift, every loss turned into a gift. Fall down, get up real quick. Watch me rise, I was made for this. Hey, hey, where's your own me? Still I don't miss. Hey, hey, too far, just a twit. Now I'm locking in beast mode, no breaks, every rep, every set. High stakes. They watching now, but they came too late. I was grinding when they closed the wait. Tunnel vision, I don't see the doubt. All dance, no breaks. On this route, I don't talk, I just live it out. Now the whole world hear me out. I won't quit. Fire in my soul, yeah, I'm all in. Step by step, brick by brick. Watch me rise, I was made for this. Feel the lift. Every loss turned into a gift. Fall down, get up real quick. Watch me rise, I was made.